Good afternoon, guys. I hope that you are doing well. So in today's video we are going to be moisturizing, and as promised we are going to be trying Design Essential. So I bought these two, so I tried to get a sample size. This didn't have a sample size, but it's okay. It's their daily moisturizing lotion, and here is their detangling leave-in conditioner. So I am starting on freshly washed hair, yes, because I didn't want for me to have Afro-Botanics products still in my hair and then trying another new brand, because you know, sometimes you just need to get rid of all the old stuff and then start on clean hair, just so you can see if the product truly lasts your hair or it doesn't. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Okay, so I ordered these from Takealot. If I'm not lying, I'll put it like somewhere here to show you guys how much I bought everything for. And yeah, so this is a very small size. You guys can tell it's like quite small. It's a 88.7 ml. I don't even know, it's like a little less than 100 ml basically. So this is their leave-in conditioner. It has avocado and almond oil. I don't know too much about the brand. I don't even know where it's made. Let's see. Oh, this is made in the USA. This claims that then this is their daily moisturizing lotion, and it's for all curl types. Saves up to 30 minutes of styling time. Okay, so let us get right into it, guys. So my hair is lacquer fresh. It's still nice and damp. I'm not going to take it out because obviously I will not be twisting the rest of my hair in front of the camera. I will refresh my twists to be specific off camera, and then come show you guys how all of them look like, which will take me about an hour 30 minutes if I move as fast as I can and not get distracted in between. So yeah, so let me show you guys how my hair looks like. It's nice and moisturized, and I tried out these shears, right? I showed you guys in my previous video that I got the natural hair hair shears, and they're pretty dang sharp. Like, listen, I cut this piece over here and look at how clean that is. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that. Look at how clean that is, right? I am going to be dedicating an entire video on split ends, on trimming, on dusting, everything. It's just not going to be in this video. I love these shears. I have been a little bit tempted every time I see like a little strand and I just want to like cut it because like it has a knot or whatever, only because I enjoy these scissors that much. You can tell, like, listen, you can tell these are lacquer sharp scissors. But anyway, let me show you guys how my hair looks like. So anytime I refresh my twists, I always undo them completely so that I can check on the health of my hair strands, and obviously also ensure that my hair is not tangling up, because my hair has a habit of to kind of lock itself, if that makes any sense. It likes to lock itself, and for me to ensure that that doesn't happen, I have to undo my twist completely. Hence why I'm saying that me refreshing my twist might take a long time, because I actually undo everything, make sure that there aren't any, you guys can tell there's no hair falling out. So I'm gonna assume that my hair is still doing well. Let's see, is that a nope? Let's see, there we go, that's what I was looking for, you see. So these are the things I'm looking for, hence why I actually always undo my twist. How do you guys refresh your twists? So I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. Wait, let's see. They like to, oh, it smells like a lot of perfume. Woo. Okay, it's not like a lot. Let me not be like dramatic. It's like it's there, but I don't think I like how strong it smells. I don't think I like how strong this leave-in conditioner has, like a lot of perfume. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's put it on. Let's see. Oh yes, what? Oh, that feels really nice. That feels really nice in the hair. That feels really nice. It's the consistency of the leave-in is almost like a gel, and it feels, I don't know right now if I like it, if I like how it feels like, but it's a little bit, there we go. So the tangles are like gliding out like I had expected them to, or rather that's what I expect my hair to do after a week of not detangling. So that's how that looks like. Okay, then we're gonna move into the, is this open? Well, I can't smell it. Oh, it's not. Let me quickly open this. Okay, then the consistency of both are very similar. Oh, it also has like a little bit, but I feel like the leave-in has, oh, look at that. It's very, you guys can see what's going on, right? Look, I don't know if this is supposed to happen, but this is their daily lotion, and you guys can tell. I don't know if this is normal, but anyway. Oh wow. Oh yes, it reminds me of the consistency of aloe vera. I think if I were to, oh no, I forgot to put an oil. Okay, anyway, we're going to use my oil on top. I normally don't put the oils on top, but since I forgot, let me just let me just put the oils on top. Okay, there you go. Then I'm just going to oil up like so. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, so you guys can tell that I should not be heavy-handed, and if I were to do a twist out with these two products, my hair will look so good. Let me show you like my curls right now. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that it's like just slightly activating my curls? Not saying that, you know, this is what daily lotions are supposed to do, but I guess Design Essential that's the kind of formula they want. I like it. I like this because you can actually detangle with both products on your hair. Even the leave-in by itself, you can definitely detangle with it. And then I am just going to twist up my hair. Also try to make sure that whenever you twist, you take equal parts. Even though I can tell that I didn't take equal parts, take equal parts and avoid borrowing hair, because when you borrow hair, when you take down your style, your twists, no, I'm lying to myself. I'm gonna end up breaking my hair in the long run. So I'm gonna undo this twist, because if I end up borrowing any hair, look at that, I am not even done, but it's like already forming curls. That's crazy. But anyway, when you borrow hair, you're actually going to break the ends of your hair, right? Like, trust me when I say that. And then yeah, so I am going to finish off camera and then come back. You guys can tell that I'm still a little bit like, my nose is still blocked a bit, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly finish this off camera and then come show you guys how my new refreshed twists look like and how I feel about this product. I don't think it would be dry by then, but we will see how it goes. So yeah, okay, that works out perfect. You see, I didn't borrow any hair, and the cool thing about cutting your hair is that you actually have ends that are the same size, right? So I like that. And then so once you are done at the ends, you can just twist it like so, and ta-da, you've got a nice beautiful end like so. You see that? That's lacquer and neat. And look at that, I don't have any frizz whatsoever. It's neatly done, and I just love how it looks like. So I'm going to finish the rest of these off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys my full results. Okay. Okay, so I have detangled my hair and refreshed my twists. You guys can tell that they're nice and fresh. Look at that. You see that? No frizz whatsoever. I like this. I don't know exactly how to feel as of yet, but both of the essential products are quite, I don't want to say sticky, but they have that feeling, and I thought maybe it would be like too heavy or I would like get annoyed by it. Actually, I didn't. My hair feels like lightweight, and yeah, so basically that's it. By the way, the sun is just yes darling. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that this is how my hair looks like. And funny enough, if you look closely, you guys will start seeing like where I need a trim. Like you can see there, I need a trim, I need to trim, you see, and this is the one that I cut already, and it's like lacquer and like fresh. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, this is how much shedding I got. So I would like to say this was definitely reduced. I used to shed a lot, and I'm actually quite happy that this is the only shedding I have received this time around. So it clearly means that, you know, I'm doing something right. So that is basically it, you guys. So I'll see you in my next moisturizing routine kind of vibes, just to see how long I will last like this. But besides all of that, I like the product so far. Funny enough, I've never used a product, both products, I've never used products that feel this way. So I'm pretty excited to see if my hair will get dry in a space of 2 days, or 1 day, or 3 days, or 4 days. I really do not know. But I also like it for wash and goes. Funny enough, if I were to ever do a wash and go, these two products would be my go-to. And yeah, so that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and bye for now.